so welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am back with a clothing haul, which is a very rare sight for my channel. Maybe that's because I don't buy a lot of clothes in bulk usually, and whenever I buy them, they're not, haul worthy. I'm not a very fashion enthusiast person, and if you're following my channel for a long time, you will see that it's just now that I am trying to put efforts in fashion and makeup and becoming like. Today's clothes are all from Zara and H&M. That's where I usually shop. Recently, like last month, both these brands had huge sale, like up to 70% off, and I really wanted to get on it, but unfortunately everything I liked was sold out. So I was kind of stuck with only a few pieces and just, basic clothing and stuff. So when the order finally came in, I realized that all the things that I ordered were black. It's really kind of shocking for me because I do not wear black clothes so often. I'm a very color person. I'm wearing black right now. It's because of the vibe of the video. Yeah, usually I stick to color and colorful bright clothes, and black is really not my thing. But as I was like kind of trying on these clothes, I realized that these are very like essential basic pieces and actually make a plenty of outfits. And the one thing about black is that it goes with everything, so you can never go wrong with black. Basically, all these clothes that I'm gonna share with you today can be used as different outfits and can help you make a lot of outfits, especially for someone like me who kind of has no fashion sense. You can't keep up with all the trends and stuff. Then I think these clothes will make very good wardrobe essentials. So the first thing I really wanted since so long is a blazer. This is from H&M and it's a size small though, but I really like it. Blazer gives you a very boss girl vibes instantly. It's not just formal, you can actually use it as a casual wear too. You can wear it with like t-shirts and jeans, a contrasting t-shirt especially. I would love to wear white inside it. You can also wear it with like a pencil skirt and a t-shirt, or just a crop top or bralette with like a palazzo or something. You can also wear it with your play suit. My blazer is kind of very fitted. That's because if I got another size, it wouldn't fit in my arms. Like my arms are really short, so it would just go like this. I didn't want that hassle to kind of get it tailored again and again, so I stuck to the small one, and it actually kind of fits me just perfect. And it's not super tight, but it's kind of tight. It instantly makes any outfit classier. I just think that a blazer is a very versatile piece of clothing, and I really wanted to have one since a very long time, and I finally got it. Next thing that I got is a black dress from H&M. I love black dresses. I already have a few, but I really like this one because it's very fairy-like. It has like these cups. It has like these cups here which give it a very feminine look. Plus it has these balloon sleeves which is all mesh, and it looks really cute and hot at the same time. The inside material is kind of polyester, so I'm not really a fan of this because it kind of creates like a friction with your legs and it just sticks to your skin, which I really hate. But otherwise this is a very cute dress. It is all covered in mesh. If you want to be more modest with it, you can wear it with a contrasting turtleneck. Next thing I got is this crop puffer jacket from H&M again. It is super stylish, and you already know how hot a puffer jacket looks. It's so fashionable. It's one of those things that makes you fashionable as well as keeps you warm. I know winter is kind of ending, but it's winter somewhere. So it has a shiny fall leather and it's kind of puffed. It's not very thick, but it's okay thick. It has a collar too. I think it will look great with a white t-shirt or maybe a turtleneck. You can also wear it with a crop top inside. Since it's cropped, I think this jacket will look great with jeans only, but I'm assuming people can pull it off with a skirt as well if you wish. Alright guys, are you ready for the hottest item today? It's a corset. Alright, this is my first corset ever. It's in size medium, but I still think it's kind of big for me. But a large would be too large, you know what I mean? And small won't fit me at all because corsets are really like body hugging and stuff. I just think that you need to have like a specific type of body to flawlessly carry this, but I just think that everyone, and I mean it, everyone looks hot in a corset. And on top of that, it's made of leather. It's not real leather obviously, but the leather thing gives me very, dominatrix vibes, you know what I mean? If you are like bold enough and hot enough, you can wear it just alone there with like a jeans. But the corset is actually very versatile. You can wear it with shirts, dresses, oversized t-shirts. It just makes everything that's oversized, gives you like a snatched waistline. As for me, I just think that I still have like a little tummy, so it's not like really flat on my stomach, but that's okay. I can wear it with like a high-waisted jeans. Then I got this plain black tennis skirt. It's not pleated, but its fabric is kind of thick, and it's not one of those skirts which will like blow with the wind and give you a malfunction. This is really nice. I love the fabric, and the waist is very soft. It has a chain behind it, so you can it looks kind of fitted and tailored. This is a small, but it's a little loose for me, but I just know that extra small will be extra small. There are so many ways to wear a tennis skirt. You can literally do anything with it. You can wear it with a crop top and just go all Sania Mirza. Then you can wear it with sweatshirt, which is the most common look. You can also wear it with the blazer or with like a big jacket above it. If you want to look like more modest, you can wear it with see-through tights or whatever. There are just so many ways you can style a skirt. It's like a must-have for your wardrobe essentials if you are in a place where you are comfortable to wear skirts. Next, what I got are these bootcut black jeans from Zara. It's not ripped or anything, it just has a nice bootcut shape. Fun fact, these jeans are actually cropped and ankle length. Like for a normal sized person, they would kind of reach above your ankle, but since I am short, they reach up to my feet, which is like perfect size for a bootcut jeans. I own like hundreds of blue jeans, but I did not have even a single black jean, so this is what I found after a lot of searching. So I couldn't really find like a perfect jean for me because I usually wear high-waisted jeans, but this one is mid-waisted, so it kind of shows like a little tummy action, but I don't think that's very bothering to me right now. You can wear it with a crop top. Obviously it will look so sleek. You can wear it with shirts. You can also pair it with that blazer that I showed you before. Like anything baggy or tight would look great with black bootcut jeans, which is very fashionable these days. Bootcut jeans are something we used to wear when I was like 13. Like I would have never in a million years thought that bootcut jeans would come back in fashion, because I used to like kind of laugh at them. So guilty. They're kind of tight, like a little, because they're mid-waist, not high-waist, so I have a little problem getting them on, but they fit. That's all that matters. The next item, I have been waiting for its price to drop and get them in my size. I just love how cute they... Okay, see it for yourself. Loafers! So cute. They're from H&M. They are kind of resembling the Prada loafers, but they don't have the... They have heels, but they are super comfortable to wear. Not only that, the tailored details on this are fantastic. I think they look amazing with the bootcut jeans. Obviously, they will look great with like colored socks or white socks, and can be worn under like a dress or jeans. Alright guys, are you ready for the next thing? Look at this. So these are also from H&M. I got them on sale. Yay! A very good dupe for the Doc Martens that everyone loves, and for people who cannot afford that. this is great for people like us. I have short legs, so these actually kind of comes up till my calves and they look extremely hot because they are like platforms, so it kind of gives me a little elevated look. The shine is kind of matte and it has like lace details, but the laces are not really important because it has zips, so you can actually easily fit in them, and to me they are skin tight, so kind of little uncomfortable, but with the right socks I think they will do. These really fulfill mine and everyone's e-girl dream. I won't say it's very versatile because these look very edgy and grunge, but surprisingly girls are also wearing it with dresses, like flowy dresses, and then these shoes. That look is so cute. Apart from that, you can wear it with skirts or even pencil skirts or shorts. I'm just so happy that I got hold of these. I've never had long boots in my life. Okay, the next item is not black, but I really wanted to show it to you guys because I bought it with all the stuff. I got these boots. Okay, these are another pair of long boots, but these are kind of different than the other ones. These are very snow region kind of boots, but actually really hot. They have little heels, so kind of cute, and the shoes overall are kind of open, so you can like wear it with jeans and stuff as well, not just alone or just socks. What I would love to do is wear it with a dress, like a flowery dress, and then these boots, but you can wear it outside leggings or tights. So for me they're exactly knee high, which kind of give me like a longer slenderer slender look. They were actually available in black and white too, and then this color which is kind of like, I don't know, mud. But yes, these are like really hot and I got them for almost 50% off the price. They're actually kind of expensive, so I never in my life thought that I would get them, but I did. Alright, and the last thing of this haul is this shopper. When they showed me this shopper in the H&M catalog, it was actually kind of normal sized. I think the model might have been a giant or simply taller than me, but this, for me, for a person like me, it's actually kind of big, so I cannot use it like in my day-to-day life because it will just look like I'm carrying like a big garbage bag or something. But this I think is perfect for like traveling and airports and stuff. You can actually keep a lot of stuff inside it. I can, fit my laptop, iPad, chargers, and probably a few clothes, and then just have it like a purse. And I just wish I was a little taller so this bag looks like a normal size bag on me, but if you are more than 5'3" probably, then I think this bag is perfect, and it's very stylish too. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Those are my H&M and Zara findings for a long time. It actually came in like a big huge box, and the delivery person wasn't even gonna like bring it to me. He was like, it's too heavy, I don't wanna, main nahi la sakta hu. But then I told him like, please, I will pay you for the auto, please just get it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like on the video and maybe a comment to tell me what you think. And if you still have not, then I would request you again to please subscribe to my channel. That would mean so much to me. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next week. Till then, take care and bye.